Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to screen mirror your iPhone to your Samsung TV. So let's get started. The easiest way is wirelessly using Apple's AirPlay. This works on most newer Samsung TVs, but not on older ones. First, go to your TV settings by pressing the settings button or the home button and scrolling to the gear icon. Then find General and select Apple AirPlay settings. Make sure AirPlay is turned on. Next, on your iPhone, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right. Tap the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two rectangles. Your TV should appear if both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. If it does not, restart both devices. If your TV does not support AirPlay, use a Lightning to HDMI dongle. Plug it into your phone and connect it to your TV with an HDMI cable. Switch your TV input to the HDMI port to mirror your screen, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.